Video we are going to see how to solve me first coding problem in the HackerRank platform. So let's see how we have to approach for a question and how we have to solve a question easily. So I'm just taking the solve me first question as an example. So let's see the question now. Complete the function solve me first to compute the sum of two integers. So there is a function called solve me first, and this method or function, what it will do, it will just compute the sum of two integers. That means if you give two numbers as an input or as a parameter to the solve me first function, then it should add those two numbers and then it should give result of those two numbers. So this is a complete description of the function solve me first, and then it has to return the sum of a and b. So and this is sample input a equal to 3 and output. I'll just explain you how to do the solution for this problem, and let's solve this in C program. Yeah, so as soon as you change the editor to the C, so it will just display all the basic things here. So it will take all those input things and how the function need to be called. All those things will be in the HackerRank itself. I mean, by default the editor will load all those things, only we have to write the logic here. Okay, so what is happening here, they have declared two numbers, num1 and num2, and using the scanf we have to take the input from the user of num1 and num2, and then we have declared a variable sum, and using this sum variable we are calling the solve me first method and passing these number1 and number2 parameters inside to it. So whenever this is called, the function will go to this method and it will compute the total problem or whatever the logic we have written inside this, and then it will return the result to this sum value only, and then we are printing that sum here. So this is how the complete flow works. Now let's write logic for this. So this is very simple. Since they only read the two inputs and they have called the function, we have to just return the values. So I'll just return it directly, return a plus b. Okay, you can do this way, or also you can do, we have different logics also. So inside this you can just declare some, okay, some not result, let's take result, and then now result equals to a plus b, and then you can return result. So you can complete this logic in 3 sentences or 3 lines, or you can just directly compute in the return statement. So I just wanted to complete this logic in a single statement, so I'll go with this, and just for the reference you can go with this also, these 3 lines. Now let me just run the code, we'll see. Yeah, see, automatically the inputs are given by the editor itself. HackerRank platform, this is one of the very best platform to improve your coding skills. And then we have written the logic for this inside this method, right? Written a plus b. Now output of 2 plus 3 is 5, and the expected also it's 5. So we have passed the sample test cases, and let's submit our code. Make sure that all the test cases will be passed. Yeah, it is submitted, and we have completed this challenge, and we have earned 1 point as well, and we'll see next challenges in the coming videos. So this is a simple question. Thank you.